Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Terry, hope you're all doing fine. So in today's video I will be doing a makeup look. As you guys can see, it is a beautiful blue and green combo with the nude lips, and you guys will see all the products that I use. The palette that I used for this makeup look is the Nubian 2 by Juvia's palette, and I really love the way this makeup came out. It's so gorgeous and whatever. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this makeup look, keep on watching. I know I'm looking a bit cray-cray right now. I always start my videos out looking ratchet and whatever, but today I'll be doing what am I doing today? Let's see what we come up with. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can get close to the eyes. I've already added my base on this side, so I'm going to do it on this side so you guys can see. I'm going in with the Black Opal concealer, and this is in Honey, and I've had this. Can makeup expire, guys? I don't know. I've had this since I started experimenting with makeup, so I'm just going to use this as my base color or my base for my eyeshadows. Going in with this fluffy brush, and I'm using that to pat out the concealer. So my eyelid, it does tend to crease a lot when I look up, so I don't really like putting on the concealer, but for the purpose of this video, probably next time I'll just do one eye at a time, because my eyelid, it creased so much, so I try to just work on one eye at a time. I blend that out, and what I do, I go in with, this is just a cover, I go in the Elegant Pro powder, and this is a white powder, and I use this to set the concealer into place. I ensure that I'm looking down and it's blended out. Then I just pat the powder on it, put the brush in. Okay, so now that we have our base down, I'm gonna go in with this palette here. I'm going in with Kenya, and I'm using this as my transitioning color. I'm just putting that right into my crease, patting it in. So I'm just packing that in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Cleopatra, and this is this dark blue shimmer color, and I'm going to use that right here where there is like that little space that's left. So I'm going in with that flat brush. I'm just going to pat that. I'm going with this small brush, and I'm just taking some of Kenya on it, just a little bit, and I'm gonna blend out the crease right here. Now I'm going into Egypt, and that's a shimmery green color, and I want to apply that to the lower part right here. I'm going in with this tattoo eyeliner pen, and it comes with this like felt tip. Is that what you call it? So I'm going to make a little liner so I can apply my lashes. This is in dark brown. Got these lashes from my local beauty supply store. There are some Ming 3D lashes, and the style is 3D number 16, and this is what I'll be putting on. It's a bit dramatic for me. So yeah, trying something new. So I'll be applying these off camera, and I'll be back. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I applied my lashes off camera, of course, but then I realized that right here it looked a bit naked, so I applied some of the blue, which is a Cleopatra, which is on the top. I applied it to the outer part of my lower lid, and now I am moving on to my face. So I'm going in with this Nivea cream. I'm just going to speed through this process of doing my face because you've seen me do this a lot, and I basically use the same products for my face. So I'll be priming my face with the Dew Glow Primer Oil. So it's just a little drip drip on my face. Around my lip area I do have some darkness, so I like to go in with this red concealer from Elegant Pro, and I just apply that around that area. Alright, so I'm going in with the foundation that I use mostly. That is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation. Oh my god, I need to try another foundation, guys. I'm going with concealer, and I'm using the Elegant Pro concealer. This is in Fawn. No, this is in Toffee. I like using this brush to blend out the concealer before I go in with the beauty blender because it makes it more seamless around the edge, and it appears as if it blends into my skin whenever I go in with the brush first. Wake up, what do that? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating. Don't listen, things so stay wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. But when I wake up, I can't help but to wonder. Alright, so what am I gonna do for the lips? I'm thinking nude. Oh, I got this Maybelline New York Color Contour Lip Palette, and I really want to try this out. Alright, so which color should I color now? I want to use this brown one right here. But first, I'm gonna line my lips with a pencil. I'm taking any brown pencil right now and just line my lip. It's not showing. It's not showing. So this color is basically the same shade as my lip, just a little bit browner because my lip is pink. So I think it's showing, but it's just a little change that's there. So I'm gonna go over with this one on the bottom right here just to see what happens. Okay, I like this. So I'll be back with the reveals for you guys. Okay guys, so this is a complete look. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't be afraid to smash that like button. Comment down below your thoughts and what do you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enough love. Should I put in like a Creole of the day? I think that would be cool, right? So the Creole word for today is Gweh. Gweh, sometimes spelled GWEH. something something. There's no standard for spelling gue in Jamaican Creole. So what gue means is go. Go away. Okay? But instead of saying go away, we merge those three. We smash those three words together and say gue. Let me know if you guys want to learn some Creole in Jamaica. So, some Jamaican Creole, I could add that into my videos, like at the end.